we're here again with the second 5GAS talk here in the booth of Ubiwhere at the Smart City Expo, yet again with Hélio, the coordinator of the project. And today, the topic we bring is how verticals are related to this project, to 5GAS. So the first question is, can you tell me what the verticals mean in this context of 5GAS? Because we've heard so many times of verticals in so many different contexts that I believe it's important to understand exactly what it means in this specific project and in this specific context.
Yes, thank you, Anna. So verticals basically, and maybe this is, I guess, a term that was kind of, I guess, adopted by the telecom folks, where basically the several sectors, the several economy sectors are labeled as verticals. So industry, health, transport, and so on, all of those are categorized as verticals. And basically the role that they can have in the 5G as a service or the 5GAS marketplace is that they can be service consumers. So they can use this platform to purchase tailored connectivity services that suits their business needs.
Thank you. And besides verticals, another concept we've heard so much about is network slicing and network slices. So can you tell us what exactly are network slices and how do we translate business into it with the verticals?
So basically, this is something that also 5G introduces, the concept of slicing. So we can think of a network slice as a virtual network that runs on top of the same physical infrastructure as the other virtual network, so to speak. And basically, we get some resource isolation that won't get otherwise, which is what currently, for example, exists in the mobile networks in 4G, 3G, 2G systems. So that's the novelty, and that's what it's very, let's say, what is new basically to the 5G as a service is that we can help to tailor those services to create a network slice that will be more specific to one of the vertical business requirements, for example.
Okay, and so to finalize, as the last question of today, because we still have tomorrow for another topic, you said that verticals are the people and the companies that you can work with. So what are the challenges that 5GAS faces when trying to approach these verticals and trying to connect and make business with them?
Yeah, so one of the main challenge I would say to these verticals is try to get reach, right, to gain some traction. So within the consortium, it's good that we already have an energy vertical, so reach, and basically we are learning a lot from them in terms of what does an energy provider or a DSO, a TSO need in terms of connectivity. So for that, and for us to better understand how can we suit better the 5G as a service marketplace offering to this sort of customers, we actually are planning a pilot, and in this pilot we will exhibit basically a ultra reliable low latency communication service, where basically the idea is that we support what we can call it the cherish on top of the cake being the project, where basically we will support this low latency use case for them in a self-healing use case where the grid can commute very fast if something goes wrong to make sure that we don't lose power in our homes.
Thank you, Hélio. And thanks everyone for watching. So once again, I'd like to invite you all to search and find 5G as a service, the website, the project. And if you think you might need this marketplace and this platform, contact 5G as a service. Thank you so much.